we've not attached the last panel. We'll do that once we raise it. Colton, yes. Can you go watch the front of the lift and tell Nick if he's too close to the edge? The wheels.
I'm like a photographer, right?
Give me about 6 inches. I'm gonna come on down. I need to come down. I'm too high. I got it stretched out.
I'm a photographer. I forget everything.
Okay, don't go crazy. That's enough.
You gonna make a scribe and just take the bracket out of the way?
Don't you want to tighten that bracket up?
I can.
It's a 9/16, right?
Bigger size, guys. Which
9/16.
It's a small one.
It's all right.
Step back. That's what I could find.
That'll work perfectly. Hammer, bud. Okay, just set them right there under the ladder. Got it, Nick. Hey. There you go. Thank you. And Michael, you want to source a couple of those for the link and what we need? Thank you, Allie.
Uh-huh.
See you, bro.
Hit it to the, just hit it over.
Need to take that bolt out.
The what?
The bolt at the bottom.
Okay, you still good, Nick?
Yeah. Cool. We there? Yes. You're there.
Okay.
Let's generate some shade. First drop.
You could barely
Can you go in a
see
little more?
somebody to the left. That's my dad, and the other person to the right in the red.
On.
Can you reach the next
He's
one?
Next
Nick.
side. No.
He's
Yep.
Nick, the neighbor's
Do it
parent,
same on
the
that
neighbor's
side.
kid, I think. And the one to the left is my dad.
Lift it up. It's gonna...
His name is Ashley.
Colton Tristan.
Say hi.
Okay.
Can't wait to see what's on its hard drive.
Steve. Or Nick. Yeah, where the hell did they go, Steve? I got these two.
Mike, you still there?
Nick, you heard what your dad just said?
Yeah. Yeah, it's got an
5 up. 7 to go. 4 hours to get 5 up.
Pretty straight. You look pretty straight.
It's mighty generous of you, but someone got you have boys or girls? Girls. Oh, so this is like rent-a-fun to you? Yeah. Okay. I don't get help. How many times have you seen the Barbie movie? What?
Never.
Barbie movie. No.
She's 19.
Oh.
Her mom went and saw it. I said no. Up. Hey, take her up, Virgil.
Is there?
Got it.
Not yet. Not when we're doing this part.
Hey, Tristan, grab that,
Sorry, I heard it. I thought we were going in.
grab that drift pin off the thing for your dad, the one with the wrench on the end of it. Hurry, 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 hurry. The pointy thing. Yeah, grab it. No, no. Get the wrench with the pointy thing at the, yeah. Bring it over here. Hurry.
Bud wrench, Tristan.
He needs to stick it in the hole.
Going to the one below your drift. Okay.
One to go.
Hi, Ellie.
Hi.
Ouch.
Last panel.
Oh.
You don't have to go way over there.
You gotta slide your panel.
You gotta be on the outside.
They know that. You guys go out, and then bring it back in. Go to the outside. There you go. Now stretch it out.
There you go.
Nick, right behind you. You gotta go up more. There we go.